The world was young, a canvas of raw potential, teeming with life in its most primal forms. It was a time of giants, of strange and wonderful creatures, and of constant struggle for survival. A wild expanse of green and blue stretching as far as the eye could see, long before humans appeared on the scene. The air was thick with humidity, the vegetation lush and untamed. Along a swampy coastline, where the land met the water in a murky embrace, a small furry mammal scurries for seeds, its tiny paws padding softly on the damp earth. It's a world of constant searching, of finding sustenance where it can, oblivious to the danger above, unaware of the silent hunter that stalks the skies. Its world is small, its concerns immediate. Suddenly, sunlight vanishes. The world plunges into an unexpected twilight. A colossal shadow sweeps across the ground, a dark omen moving with terrifying speed. The light is stolen, replaced by an encroaching darkness. This is no cloud, no fleeting weather pattern, but a living nightmare. Immense wings, angular form, silent and menacing, a predator of immense scale. It's a silhouette of death against the fading light. The mammal freezes, instinct screaming, a primal fear gripping its tiny heart. As the air grows cold, a chill that has nothing to do with the weather. It's the cold of impending doom. Above, a pterodactyl circles, a master of the ancient skies, its keen eyes locked on its prey, unwavering and merciless. It glides with effortless power, a creature perfectly adapted to its deadly role, the undisputed king of the prehistoric skies, a symbol of dominance and death. To creatures below, it is more than a predator. It is a force of nature. It is a spectre of death, a constant reminder of the fragility of life in this ancient world. With a final, terrifying dive, the pterodactyl descends, committing to its deadly purpose, wings folding as it plummets, a controlled fall towards its unsuspecting victim. The air rushes past its leathery skin, a testament to millions of years of evolution. The only sound in this moment of doom, a whisper of wind before the storm. The mammal has nowhere to run, its fate is sealed, the shadow becomes substance. Beak and claw filling its world, the end arriving with brutal efficiency. For many, this is the last sight of the Cretaceous, a fleeting glimpse of a world about to end, the swift, silent judgment of the pterodactyl, a predator's final act. It ruled the skies with an iron grip, a reign of terror that shaped the lives of all creatures below for millions of years, an era defined by its presence. The prehistoric nightmare always watching from above, a constant threat lurking in the ancient skies. So what was the pterodactyl? The name conjures horror, but it refers to real flying reptiles, pterosaurs, not dinosaurs, but their contemporaries. Pterosaurs appeared 228 million years ago and vanished in the Great Extinction 66 million years ago. They soared over ancient coastlines and inland seas, thriving in a world warmer and wilder than ours. Pterosaurs were the first vertebrates to master flight, long before birds or bats. They ranged from sparrow-sized to giants like Quetzalcoatlus, with wingspans rivaling small planes. For over 160 million years, they adapted and evolved, filling every aerial niche. The pterodactyl was a dynasty of the sky, leaving an indelible mark on Earth's history. The pterodactyl, a name that evokes images of prehistoric nightmares, was a creature of mythic proportions. These weren't just oversized birds, they were something truly unique, a testament to the power of evolution. Its wings were leathery membranes, delicate yet incredibly strong, stretched from body to an elongated fourth finger, a single incredibly long digit that supported the entire wing structure. To truly grasp the scale, imagine your pinky as long as your entire arm. That's the kind of adaptation we're talking about. The largest, like Quetzalcoatlus, the undisputed king of the pterosaurs, stood as tall as giraffes, reaching heights that would dwarf even modern-day birds. Their wingspans stretched to unbelievable lengths, over 11 meters, rivaling some small airplanes. Just seeing one overhead, a dark silhouette against the prehistoric sky, would send any animal running for cover. A primal fear triggered by the sheer size and presence of these aerial giants. Their heads were bizarre, a testament to the strange and wonderful forms that evolution can produce. Long, pointed beaks, sometimes filled with needle-like teeth, perfectly designed for snatching fish or other prey from the waters below, and elaborate crests, tall, sail-like or swept back, adorning their heads with flamboyant displays, likely for display, a visual signal to attract mates and assert dominance. Unlike birds, their beaks were lightweight keratin, not bone, a crucial adaptation for flight. Pterodactyls were likely warm-blooded and active, constantly on the move, soaring through the skies in search of food. Covered in a fuzzy coat called pycnofibers, a feature that blurs the line between reptiles and mammals. This fuzz helped regulate temperature, keeping them warm in cooler climates during high-altitude flights, where the air thins and temperatures plummet. Far from sluggish reptiles as they were once perceived, they were dynamic, highly evolved giants, masters of the prehistoric skies. Perfectly adapted for life in the prehistoric skies, they ruled the air with unmatched grace and power. They were titans of their time, apex predators that soared above a world teeming with dinosaurs. Not scaly monsters, as often depicted in popular culture, but warm, complex creatures, with intricate social behaviors and sophisticated adaptations. The pterodactyl was a marvel of evolution, a testament to the incredible diversity of life that once thrived on our planet. The pterodactyl was a master predator, combining keen senses, speed and deadly precision. Its enormous eyes gave it exceptional vision, spotting prey from great heights. Fish-eating species skimmed water, snatching prey with lightning-fast beaks. Giants like Quetzalcoatlus stalked plains on all fours, striking down with spear-like beaks. They could swallow smaller prey whole, a terrifying prospect. Their attacks were silent and sudden, wings carrying them on air currents without a sound. Unlike roaring predators, they struck in near silence, leaving no time to escape. For smaller creatures, the pterodactyl was an unpredictable, ever-present threat. It was the ultimate aerial hunter, a silent death from above, the prehistoric nightmare that ruled the skies. The pterodactyl was unlike any other flying creature. Its wings were leathery membranes over a single elongated finger, more like a bat than a bird, but even bats use 4 fingers. This unique design made them master gliders, soaring for hours on thermal updrafts, crossing oceans and continents. On land, they were surprisingly agile, walking on all fours with folded wings as front limbs. Recent fossil trackways show even the largest were capable walkers. Their takeoff was spectacular, launching with all 4 limbs vaulting into the air like pole vaulters. No other flying animal, past or present, launched this way. Their flight style, ground movement, and launch technique set them apart from birds and bats. The pterodactyl was a true original in the animal kingdom. Evolution found a different answer to flight. They were the original long-haul flyers. The pterodactyl's story is a captivating detective tale, meticulously written in stone over millions of years. Each fossil fragment serves as a clue, guiding us through the intricate history of these magnificent creatures. The very first pterosaur fossil, a remarkable find, was unearthed in Germany in 1784. This discovery marked the beginning of our understanding of these ancient reptiles. Initially, the fossil baffled the scientific community, its nature a complete mystery. It wasn't until the groundbreaking work of Georges Cuvier that the creature was correctly identified as a flying reptile, a revelation that changed our understanding of prehistoric life. This revelation opened a new window into prehistory, offering a tantalizing glimpse into a world populated by creatures unlike anything seen today. Then, in the 1970s, a discovery of colossal proportions occurred in Texas. The unearthed wing bones revealed the existence of Quetzalcoatlus, the largest flying animal ever to grace the skies. Its wingspan dwarfed that of modern-day airplanes. These discoveries shattered previous assumptions, proving that flying reptiles reach sizes once thought utterly impossible, challenging the limits of our imagination. Pterosaur fossils are notoriously delicate, often fragmented and incomplete, making their study a painstaking process. But each new find, no matter how small, adds another piece to the puzzle, slowly revealing a more complete picture of these ancient creatures. We've even found eggs, offering insights into their reproductive strategies. We've found trackways, preserving their ancient movements, and even rare impressions of skin and fuzz, providing clues about their appearance and physiology. Each discovery breathes life back into these giants, transforming them from abstract concepts into tangible beings, slowly transforming them from myth to reality, allowing us to envision them soaring through prehistoric skies. From Germany to Texas and beyond, their fossils tell a compelling story of global dominance, revealing their widespread presence across the ancient world. Paleontologists around the world continue to meticulously uncover their secrets, piece by painstaking piece, driven by a passion to understand these remarkable creatures. The pterodactyl's legacy, and that of all pterosaurs, is indelibly written in the rocks beneath our feet, a testament to their existence millions of years ago. Real animals, not just monsters of legend, but complex and fascinating creatures that once ruled the skies. Pterodactyl fossils are storybooks revealing how they lived. Skull and teeth shapes show diets, needle-like teeth for fish, robust teeth for shellfish. Rare fossils preserve stomach contents, fish, reptiles, invertebrates, offering direct evidence of their meals. Head crests, once mysterious, are now seen as displays for attracting mates, like a peacock's tail. Their hollow, strut-supported bones were strong yet light, perfect for flight. Microscopic analysis shows they grew rapidly, reaching adult size in just a few years. Each clue paints a vivid picture of a dynamic, successful animal. Fossils reveal not just what they looked like, but how they lived and thrived. The pterodactyl story is written in every bone. Science brings these ancient predators back to life. Long after their extinction, pterodactyls haunt our imagination. In movies, comics, and games, they're winged villains, symbols of prehistoric terror. Films like Jurassic Park cemented their image as icons of the ancient world. Museum skeletons inspire awe, connecting us to a lost era. Toys and models spark curiosity in young minds, fueling interest in paleontology. The pterodactyl combines our deepest fears, reptiles, and aerial attack. It's the dragon made real, a reminder of a time when humans were not on top. Even after 66 million years, their shadow still captivates us. The pterodactyl's story is one of triumph and extinction. For 160 million years, they ruled the skies, evolving into the largest flying animals ever. Fossil discoveries have transformed them from monsters to complex, fascinating creatures. Their legacy lives on in our culture, museums, and imaginations. They remind us of Earth's grandeur and terror, and of our own fleeting place in history. Look up and imagine the sky once filled with these giants. The pterodactyl is gone, but its story endures in stone and in our dreams. The prehistoric nightmare still inspires awe and wonder.